Good morning and welcome to Miss Rhodey, and today I will be discussing my September 2025 Zazzle Bestseller Store Report. In September, I had 27 sales compared to 38 sales in August. These sales brought in $20.90 in royalty, which averages 72 cents per sale. Where I really excelled was in referrals. I had 4 referral sales, which totaled $68.09. Altogether, my earnings for September came to $88.99. So I reached payout. The great news is that I did make payout, unlike last month when I just missed it. So my upcoming check, because it's November now. So for October, it was $65, which is perfect timing to help cover my September electric bill. I am so thankful for this progress. Every little step forward is a reminder that growth is happening, and I'm excited for what's ahead for October. So my store sales, Miss Rhodey 9, Weddings by Rhodey 4, Alma Africa 0, Bible Verses and Gifts 3, Homeschool Me 7, Rhodey's Kitchen and Earrings by Rhodey both 0, with 4 referrals. So my commentary on my store sales. Miss Rhodey led the way this month with 9 sales, followed by Homeschool Me, which was 7 sales, and Weddings by Rhodey, which was 4 sales. Smaller but steady movement came from Bible Verses and Gifts with 3 sales. In Alma Africa, Rhodey's Kitchen and Earrings by Rhodey didn't have any sales for that month. However, a major win for this month was after 11 months of referral silence, I finally broke through with 4 referral sales. So this is an exciting sign that my past marketing efforts, such as my Pinterest pins, because all of those referrals came from Pinterest, are still working for me and can continue to bring in long-term results. And if 4 sales can bring in $68, I can just imagine if I had 20, or if I was making 1 referral a day. So I'm really going to hone in on referrals because I can see how it can easily translate to thousands of dollars if you have the right customer base. Okay, my best-selling item for September was my Antique Maps file folder from Homeschool Me. This file folder took the top spot as my best-selling item in September. What makes this even more encouraging is that it was my 3rd bestseller in August. So it shows consistent customer interest across multiple months. So I love to see when something goes from 3rd place to 1st place, My 2nd bestseller was the black and white happy birthday card to him from my Miss Rhodey store. And personalized birthday cards continue to perform well because they combine everyday celebration needs with a personal touch that customers love. And it also shows the strength of the greeting card category, which remains a reliable source of sales for me. And my honorable mention is my beautiful blue and yellow collection. So I was able to sell wedding invitations as well as RSVP. So that was great because you always want to sell in bundles, So that shows the power of a collection. And with the multiple sales tied to the wedding invitation suite, it makes this collection powerful as it demonstrates the value of cohesive product sets. Because we know when customers shop for weddings, they rarely just purchase a single item. Instead, they look for matching pieces. So things to match invitations, RSVP cards, menus, thank you notes. even signage. So having collections help you upsell additional pieces. And my other items sold was birthday shirt, bumper sticker, coffee mugs, stickers, plaques, post-it notes, and tissue paper. So those are a diverse product catalog. So I was able to sell different things, and it reflects how customers browse across categories for different needs. And they also provide valuable insight in which products have evergreen potential. So seeing sales like this let me know which products will sell all year around. My customer demographics, again, women makes the majority of my customer base with 83% and men 17%. So women, they're my core market, but there's still potential to grow the male segment through targeted designs and referral marketing that speak directly to the needs of men. My top states are California and New York. So for September, California once again ranked as the top state for sales, showing consistent buyer engagement from that region. California's large, diverse population and strong online shopping habits make it a natural leader for Zazzle sales, particularly in categories like invitations, events, and gifts. New York also emerged as a key state this month, highlighting the reach of my products in major metropolitan areas where customers are often shopping for unique, personalized items for celebrations and special occasions. International sales. My international sales came from France, and I was excited to see a sale from France, which was a personalized notepad that featured a charming apple design and an uplifting phrase, "Life is beautiful." So this sale is significant because it shows how customization plus universal themes like positivity and nature can appeal across cultures. A simple yet heartfelt design translated beautifully to an international customer, proving that inspiration and encouragement are universal languages. And for my referrals, they all came from Pinterest pins that was dated October 30th, 2019. Now, I am not certain if they were all from the same customer, but they occurred over the course of 2 separate days. So they were candles, napkins, a pedestal, a dessert pedestal, and the fourth product was labeled private, so I had no information. But my key takeaway, while these referrals weren't for my own products, they showed the earning potential of referral marketing. Because it doesn't have to be your own products. It can be, you can still make money from any product that you refer from Zazzle. So my next goal is to channel the same referral energy toward my own product collections, especially wedding invitations and stationery, so that I can capture both the royalty and referral commission on each sale. So my key takeaways for September is that my referral sales broke an 11-month silence, reminding me how impactful long-term Pinterest traffic can be. Even older pins from 2019 are still generating income today. Moving forward, like I spoke earlier, I want to direct customers to my own products. And it also, a key takeaway is the importance of collections. The beautiful blue and yellow wedding collection prove how offering a suite of coordinated products can upsell buyers and increase order size. So September reinforced that my growth doesn't just come from individual products. It comes from strategic systems like referrals and collections that multiply each sales value. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you gained something from it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.